I film and record things as I see them, and then I compile them into notes at a later date. So the way it worked on the farm was, I'd probably record a few notes here and there in the weekend or throughout the week. I used an app called Wunderlist, which is now called To-Dos. Microsoft took it over, so now it's called Microsoft To-Dos. It's kind of the same as Wunderlist. It's not quite as good, actually. I use that now. And then I do video and voice recordings of everything. So the way the protocol worked for me on the farm is every Friday. Last 3 years of my farm, we really had it dialed in with the systems. On Fridays, we were usually done halfway through the day. So we always had sort of a 2.5 day weekend because we stopped doing farmers markets years ago. And so we were, primarily retail and restaurant based. And so usually by Friday at 1 or 2, we were done for the weekend. And so around that time, I would go around to all the plots. I'd just get on my bike and just go to all the plots. And, on a bigger farm, you just go do a farm walkthrough. And I would make notes of things. So I'd walk on one block. Okay, this bed of red Russian kale, that's for sure going to be ready to harvest on Monday. That needs to be harvested on Monday. And make that note. This thing I thought I was going to have by Friday. It probably looks now it's 10 days off. Go through and make notes about what I see coming. As a production manager on an operation, your job, in my opinion, your primary job is to always be thinking 3 weeks ahead. Always. You've got your farm plan, right? And so the bigger picture, 6 months ahead, but you need to be looking and analyzing at everything right now because stuff changes, right? You get a string of bad weather, you get a string of really good weather. There's always an infinite amount of dynamic things that change the elements on your farm, and you need to respond to those things. And so basically, doing a field walkthrough, looking at everything, making notes about everything. And then what I did with that is on Monday morning. So basically I'd make those videos on my phone, and sometimes if I felt like doing more work, I'd sit there and I would itemize those things into Wunderlist, and then execute those the following week. What I usually ended up doing is I'd make those videos, just run. This is the last thing I did at the end of the week, run through the farm, make those videos, make those notes. And then early Monday morning, boom, I planned my week. Sometimes if I was feeling like I had nothing else to do on a Sunday, I would just do it on a Sunday night. But now that I have children, forget about it. So that doesn't happen. I don't do any work on the weekends unless I absolutely have to, which doesn't really happen much anymore. So I just get up real early. This time of year, I'm up at 4 a.m. And it's the same when I was farming, and I'd be up at 4 a.m. It was the first thing I'm doing right on my mind. Because often I dream. I'm quite a lucid dreamer. I have very detailed dreams. And sometimes, or a lot of times when I was really in the thick of farming, the last hour or two of my dreaming, though I couldn't say how long it was because, a dream could be a minute. It might feel like a week. But when I would wake up, I'd be like, oh, I know exactly what I need to do. First thing I do is I get on my computer, I open up those videos, boom, 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 boom. I hammer out all those things point form. And then I move them around a little bit based on what I think needs to be done first and what's priority and what's not so priority, and then go from there. And then I would print up a schedule, though I used to do it with printing up a schedule, but then later, once we had everybody on the farm using Wunderlist on their phones, we didn't need that anymore. So I would just assign tasks on the Wunderlist to one or two of the guys on the farm, and then they tick things off as they get done. And then I can see who does them and who doesn't. And then if certain things don't get done that day, I usually spend 5 or 10 minutes just kind of reorientating the next day. So primary planning happens. So wrap up information happens on Friday at the end of the day. Primary planning of the week happens on Monday morning, and then subsequent replanning happens at the end of each day throughout the week. But that only takes a few minutes because it's like, okay, we didn't get this thing done. Now that's got to move to this day. So we might have to shuffle a couple things around here, but that's essentially how we did it. So yeah, I mean, there's probably other apps out there now, but I mean, I used Wunderlist, and I'm fairly old school with the software. I know a lot of people are using Tend now. It seems to be doing a lot more stuff there, but I liked my spreadsheet and simple task management system. You know, you can use Evernote for these things too. It's very similar. So yeah, that's what we do.